Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a good day. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 2796 repeat string. So let's start guys. Write code that enhances all strings such that you can call the string.replicatex method on any string and it will return repeated string x times. Try to implement it without using the built-in method string.repeat. Okay. So they have given us some example. So the string is hello, times is 2, so it means that you want to repeat this hello 2 times. So hello hello, right, like this. Code 3 times will give you code, right, and js 1 time will give you js. Okay, so these are some examples. So those many times that string needs to be repeated. Okay, so this is what the problem says. So we'll just write down a simple Java solution to solve this coding problem. So in this case, what we can do, I'll show you two ways we can do it, right? One with a built-in and another with our own code, right? So this is a very good example where you need to know string builder or string buffer class here, right? So here is our first solution. So replicate string times is give this the method we are implementing, right? So string is equal to null, return null, right? Str is null. So this is a basic check. If times is less than equal to 0, then in that case you will return empty string, correct? Now I'll create a string builder instance. This is very important line. Okay, string builder if sb is equal to new string builder. Now since I know the length of the string, I know how many times I want to repeat it. I can, in the constructor, I can give the length of that string builder, correct? So for example, if the string length is 4 and I want to repeat 3 times, then the total will be 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 characters. Okay, fine. Now we have to populate those characters there. So in this for loop, I'll just go do for I is equal to 0, I is less than times I plus plus. So I will append the string to the string builder n times, basically, right? Number of times here. sb dot append string, correct? After that, at the end, you have to just convert that string builder into string by using toString method, basically, and that's it guys. So this is a very simple code, but very important one. You should know string builder class very well. This is a very important class, in which case when you want to build dynamic strings, okay, then it's a very important class you should know. So this is one way you can implement this method. The other way is in Java 11 you have a direct method to do this, right? So in Java 11 what you will do, so this basic check remains the same, right? So string null, then return null, times less than equal to 0, return empty string. Now this is a inbuilt method basically on a string class. Okay, so string dot repeat times, so it will repeat the string n times, basically, right? So this is directly available in Java, so this is also you can use. Okay, so it was not available before Java, it is introduced in JDK 11. Okay guys, so we'll test it out. So abcd is our string, we want to repeat it, let's say 4 times, right? So I will call my replicate method, the first implementation that I shown you, and we'll run this code. So you will see that abcd got repeated 4 times here, right? Okay, so our code is working correctly. So this is the first solution. This is our second solution. So for that I'll just change it to result 2. So replicate using repeat, correct? So this is the second method which uses Java's inbuilt repeat method. Okay, so let's give it a run one more time. So again abcd is getting repeated 4 times, as you can see here, right? Okay, so these are the two ways you can solve this problem. This is on Leetcode, this problem on repeat a string. Okay, 2796 on Leetcode. These kind of questions are typical in online coding tests and for freshers junior level positions, right? So I hope that you know both the solutions now correctly, and you know how to use a string builder class. Okay, so I hope you like both these solutions in today's video, and if you like these solutions, give it a like for this video, give it a thumbs up for this video, share this video with all your friends, subscribe to our channel now and click on the bell notification icon button so you won't miss any important postings from our channel. On this channel, we create content and videos to help others learn more computer science and programming concepts along with data structures and algorithmic paradigms. We have more than 600 different solved coding problems, guys, for you. that includes all important coding questions varieties, and we came up with important playlists that you should watch right now if you're planning to take interviews. The important names of the playlist I want to mention it to you guys are graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, problems solved by using important programming techniques such as binary search, dynamic programming, recursion, memoization, how to use and apply BFS and DFS on graphs, matrices, and trees. The important data structures related playlist we have it guys for you include stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap, max heap, arrays, array list, linked list. So everything is here guys, so don't miss out on those important solved coding problems. They will give you good prep for your interviews, will help you learn more concepts of computer science, programming, data structures and algorithms. Definitely share all these videos with your friends so they will also learn how to solve these problems. And if you are a Java consultant, we have important videos where we discussed frequently asked telephonic interview questions asked to the Java developers and how to answer them. So those are also available. If you want the link, then write down to me in the comments and we'll send you the link. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.